Hello, good evening, everyone, and welcome to a new and exciting session from protrainingtech.com. We are excited to bring you new opportunities today. Today, we are going to bring different kind of opportunities for all the participants and the different students where we can help you get different kind of trainings, and we will help you get a good career opportunities. My name is Basit. I am the technical lead and business manager at protrainingtech.com. We are also excited to announce that today is our website relaunch. And in this website relaunch, we are announcing different new aspects of trainings and new IT platforms where you can learn new things and you can adopt these trainings and get your dream job. Apart from this, today we will be giving you different overview of different aspects of what kind of trainings we are offering, and you will also get to know our team members, our exciting new trainers who have years of experience in the field, and exactly what kind of services we are offering, what do we do, how do we do it, and yeah, there are multiple things. And also there is one more important thing. For example, there is a recession that is imminent, and according to new reports, there will be a lot of layoffs during this year. So we are bringing the opportunities which can help you get new jobs in the field. So let's just begin with the scope of IT in all over the globe. So how is IT impacting the industry, and what kind of IT field structure is going on? IT industry is a rapidly growing and dynamic field with a vast potential of professionals with the right skills and expertise. Some of the key areas of growth in IT industry include cloud computing, data analytics, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. As an institute, Pro Training Tech, we are dedicated to providing high-quality, industry-recognized courses that give our students skills and expertise that is needed to succeed in the competitive industry. Our courses are focused on all in-demand skills like SDET, cybersecurity, Java certifications, and all these courses are designed in such a way that are practical and relevant to the current job market. Today, you will also get to hear from our alumni. We are very proud to announce that we have trained over 1,000 students because we have been in operations from 2015, and we are very excited that most of our students are leading in their field, and we have also got placement for them in some of the Fortune 500 companies as well. As our students, they have achieved a lot of success in the IT industry after completing our training programs, and they have played, our trainings have played a really good role in helping them to achieve their career and making a positive impact in the world. So let's just talk about what kind of highest paid jobs are going on in the US industry. So for instance, there is a data analytics job that is one of the highest paid IT job, and there's also cloud architecture jobs that is one of the other highest paid jobs. And all the trainings that we are provide, you don't need to have a prior background in IT. We have students from diversified backgrounds. For example, we have housewives that are not doing anything despite having some kind of issues. Also, we have a lot of immigrants in the US who have been doing a different kind of odd jobs. So we are helping everyone and anyone who wants to get our trainings, and we help them promote themselves and move towards the betterment of their future. Okay, in our new website, we have designed a valuable resources for our students, our alumni, our business partners, and there are a lot of features and tools that is there to help everyone succeed together. We are committed to helping our students achieve their goals and make a positive impact in the IT industry. We invite everyone to learn about our new programs where we can help you and support you throughout your journey and fulfilling a successful career.